Parties in the lawsuit challenging the authenticity of Governor Godwin Obaseki's degree certificate have been directed by a federal high court to file and adopt their written addresses. On July the 14th, 2019, the All Progressives Congress filed a suit alleging that Mr. Godwin Obaseki presented a forged degree certificate to the Independent National Electoral Commission to enable him contest the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. The suit, which was filed at the Benin Division of the Federal High Court, suffered some setback before it was set down for hearing by Justice Ahmed Mohammed of the Abuja Division of the court. Governor Obaseki, however, challenged the competency of the suit but failed to stop the proceedings. The governor and his party, the PDP, have closed their case after calling 3 witnesses. Before closing their case, a witness, Professor Egusa Osage, who testified in favor of Governor Obaseki, testified that the certificate presented by Governor Obaseki is genuine, but despite some missing information on the photocopied one presented to the Independent National Electoral Commission. He recounted his experience trying to make a duplicate copy of his certificate on an A4 paper, where he said the portion of the date and registrar's signature was cut off in the process of photocopying. On the cross-examination, Professor Osage said with the constraint in photocopying a document from an A5 to an A4 paper, he took the risk of tendering an incomplete copy of his certificate wherever it is required, bearing in mind that he is in possession of the original certificate, which can be verified later. The lawyer to the APC restated his position on the forged certificate.
Well, as I always say, when you go to war, you want to win that war. So we came in prepared to do battle. We have done it. And we expect that we should win.
The lawyer to Mr. Obaseki, however, counters the position of the APC.
Of course, my expectation and my hope is that my client will come up tops. That's what everybody who goes into a litigious situation hopes. So we also hope that with the evidence adduced, that at the end of the day, hopefully, victory will be ours, because I think we have done enough to convince the courts that our defense is solid and meritorious.
Justice Ahmed Mohammed has already fixed January the 7th, 2021 for the adoption of written addresses by all the parties. The plaintiffs had claimed that the photocopy of the certificate submitted by Mr. Obaseki is forged, as it fails to capture the signature of the Vice-Chancellor and Registrar of the university.